YouTube has a new update now. With this update, you don't need to ask people or search anywhere to learn something. Now YouTube has launched a special feature where you can ask questions directly from YouTube, and YouTube will give you smart answers like an AI teacher. How to use this feature step by step. First, open Google on your mobile, search for YouTube Studio. Click the first website that comes in the search results. Make sure the YouTube Studio app is not downloaded on your mobile. Now click Continue to Studio. After that, you will see a YouTube Studio page. On the top right corner, you will see a Gemini logo, AI icon. Click on that Gemini logo. Now you can ask anything. After clicking it, you can ask any question like how to get more views, how to get more subscribers, what is the best niche for my channel, what type of videos should I make, and YouTube will give you a full answer with tips and ideas. Example of what it can tell you. When I asked how to get more views, YouTube gave an answer like post videos regularly, follow trending topics, use strong titles and thumbnails, make videos that people watch till the end. Then I asked how to get more subscribers. It again gave a complete guide about what to do to increase subscribers. Then I asked what is the best niche. It suggested good niche ideas like before after editing videos, hidden secrets of editing apps, new editing trends and tricks. Final point. So now you can easily take help from YouTube own AI system. This means you can learn everything directly from YouTube without asking everyone. And subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.